The authors have no financial interest in this presentation.
One of the most important findings that one should never miss in a dilated fundus examination is optic nerve abnormality. The perimeter is a gold standard diagnostic machine to confirm optic nerve and various other lesions. But little do we know that the normative data fed in our perimeter has been taken from the European population. And since many years, we have been comparing this data with Indian population. So, we had a research question. What if we could formulate a normative data for automated perimetry in Indian population? Hence, we decided to design a cross-sectional study. The inclusion criteria of this study consisted of healthy normal Indian individuals of age group 18 to 75 years with unaided or best corrected vision of 6 by 6 with plus or minus 2 diopter cylinder. In short, any patient with normal visual fields was included in the study. The exclusion criteria consisted of any patient with ocular pathology, history of amblyopia, raised intraocular pressure, or any systemic comorbidities. Also, patients showing abnormal visual fields were excluded from the study. The Humphrey Field Analyzer was used, and out of the various diagnostic protocols, we chose the 30-2 CETA-FAST. After a written informed consent and ethics approval, each patient was explained about the procedure and how to perform the test. We collected data over a span of 3 years from March 2018 to March 2020. We then did a systematic literature review and started arranging our data, which we acquired over the last 3 years. The variables that we chose for analysis included age, gender, unaided visual acuity, best corrected visual acuity, test duration, fixation losses, false positive and negative errors, foveal threshold, visual field index, mean deviation, and pattern standard deviation for both eyes. After segregation, we finally collected data of 13,172 eyes. Once we had this data, we then started looking for a biostatistician. The biostatistician gave us results including age distribution, sex distribution, and for each variable and each decade, we got a median and an interquartile range. Any value outside the interquartile range was then considered to be abnormal later. Also, most of our results turned out to be statistically significant. Hence, with all this data in hand, we now started approaching Indian companies, and we shall soon have an Indian perimeter with Indian data. With the help of other hospitals, we are now working on increasing our database. Currently, we are working on segregating the data according to different race and religions in India.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने के लिए बोल्ड रिफॉर्म्स की प्रतिबद्धता के साथ अब देश का आगे बढ़ना अनिवार्य है।